how to put gold leaf on a leaf. I already did this one as a test. It came out pretty good. Just a regular leaf I found outside. I wanted to test it first before I try it on my maple leaf that I have here. So that closely, it has very nice details. Hopefully when I put the gold leaf on, those details will come through. If you see a listing for 100 sheets of gold leaf and it's under $100, then they're probably fake. And one test you can do to see if they're fake is you take the gold leaf sheet, you carefully bend away this paper, and then you light it with a lighter. If it's real gold, it will just kind of bend away from the flame. If it's fake gold, it will burn up like crazy. I actually have some fake gold leaf sheets here. If I can find them, I might include them in the video. As soon as you hit it with the fire, it just disappears. Take the glue. You want to put a very thin layer on the leaf, because if you go too thick, then the gold leaf won't be able to mold into the details in the leaf. Get it as thin as you can. Then you want to go over it with a paintbrush, because the gold leaf will pretty much stick to anything, including your skin. See, this glue is already tacky and sticking to my fingers, just making it hard to spread it out. This glue takes a while to dry, so you don't have to super rush to put the gold on. Make sure there's no type of airflow, because these things are so thin they'll blow away. Even easier than paper does. Carefully turn it over. Don't touch the sheet. This paper that it comes in, it won't stick to it. So you turn it over like this. Then you're going to press it onto the leaf. Remove this sheet. And then lightly press it with the paintbrush. And hopefully it will contour to the shape of the leaf, and you'll see the details. This is going to waste some gold. As you can see, you're going to lose some gold. That's the good thing about it. It's so thin that the monetary value is almost nothing. Each sheet you want to press it in before you move on. Oh, the end of the leaf broke off. I'm just going to glue that thing back on later. That's not going to have gold on it. This, I think, will probably need 2 more sheets. So this is a small project, only 3 little sheets, if you do it right. Take the next sheet, put it down the same way. Oh, you see how it didn't land correctly? So now you might need 2 more sheets. You can try to take some of the leaf that breaks off and put it in areas that are missing gold. Let's try to get one more here. Yeah, we're gonna need one more because it didn't land right. Like I said, it's really hard to get them to land because they just catch air so easy. Details didn't come out as good as I hoped they would, but it still does look pretty cool. It's always hard around, like I had trouble with this other leaf too, around the edges here. You can see there's too much gold because I actually put broken pieces there because they always pop off the edges. They don't stick well on the edges of the leaves. I had to throw some more glue in that area to be able to put some more gold in there to try to fill that in. Actually doing this, it's bringing out a little more detail. I'm going to get a little glue now, just stick it on the paper, and then try to get it into those little areas. I'll just use this little key I happen to have on the desk here. Put a little bit of glue in this area. Put some here. I'll try to pick up some of the leaf that's broken here, the extra, with my brush and bring it over to the glue. As soon as it touches the glue, it'll stick. That area is almost completely filled in now. Still a little hole there. I might have to use another sheet. Look at that. I found some gold right there I can use to try to fill in those areas. So I don't have to use another sheet. Put some glue there. Start with this little piece here, if I can get it on the brush. Then just press it in there to the glue. Not too much, because if you keep playing with it, it'll start to break up. I need to get a little glue right here in this area. It does look pretty good. I'm not sure if the details are going to show up because of the light. It might be too bright. That's the back. Here is a sheet of the fake gold. Look how much bigger it is than the real gold sheets. Doesn't stick to your fingers either. How about a magic trick? I'm gonna make this gold disappear. Ta-da! It's gone! Real gold wouldn't do that. The fire wouldn't do anything to the gold. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell, and if you have any suggestions for future videos, leave a comment.